Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to explain how to install the softwares required for Verilog programming. So we need two basic softwares, that is your Quartus Prime and your ModelSim. So first we'll start with ModelSim. So go to Chrome browser and hit ModelSim. So the first one which says Intel ModelSim Intel FPGA, so click on that. So you'll get this page. Now what you need to do is go to the top of this browser heading. Now right click and click on duplicate. I'll say what's the use of this. Now go to any of the bar since both are same. So we have Windows and Linux. So sorry for Apple. So you have Windows and Linux. Take the latest version, come down, and here click on download for Linux, and this is for download for Windows. I have already downloaded the file and I have run the file, and I've already installed uh, ModelSim, but I'll show you at least how to download these things. So once you start downloading, it will automatically get it downloaded. It's 1.2 GB. I'm not wasting that. So when I told you need to duplicate the tab, this is where you'll get it useful. We need to now install Quartus Prime. So go to simulation tools. Now click on FPGA development tools. Now in here go to Quartus Prime standard and click on Windows. Now that is for mine it is Windows. So we have Quartus Prime Lite and Quartus Prime standard. So what I have is Quartus or Quartus Prime, which means it's a Quartus Prime standard. So in here you'll also get in your free version. So you can go ahead and click on download. Again, you need to go for the latest version. Click on accept, and you will have the link. So that's how you download it.